Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Bom dia. Today I have only 11 euro session because I'm tired of giving donation. Hola, bom dia. Tenho novas? Aqui, nova versão super recompensa. Super recompensa. E palavras futuras. 13 y 14, 13 and 14. Palabras sorturas, guys, means lucky words. Okay, let's play in old-fashioned way while I'm drinking coffee. P and J, Jessica. P. Only one? Oh, Lord. X and S. 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 No X. M and Q. M. M. There's S here. What's going on with this dancing tripod? No Q. Okay. T and O. 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 H. Okay. I and N. I. N. I. Not much going on. B and C. B. C. C. R. R. Not much. Give me letter A. L and U. L. U. U. No, this is not a winner. U. And letter A. Okay. R and C. Okay, so this is not winner. Let's do the fast way. Sometimes I have no tenyo pasensya. I have no patience. Sometimes. Amo. A. No M. Of course, if there's M, I win. I don't win also because there's no O. Once. No O. U. No. Ama. No M. No O. Soul. No O. Oh Lord. Lair. No E. What the hell is going on here? Loose. There's L. There's U with no Z. Color. There's no O. No E. This is not a winner. Okay, so I don't need to spend much time because I know it's not a winner. Okay? No M. Okay, there's mice, there's A, there's I. There's S but no M. So 2 tickets are losers. Okay. Lose. No. Okay, so let's go to recompensa. Okay, we're looking for cash symbol to win the price shown. A watch to win 50. Spora 100. The tire symbol or Roda 150. Cerca. Barrel. Chapiu. Cofre. Lobo. Saco de dinero. Diamante. Ay, it's a winner. Woohoo! It's a winner, guys. I found the nota symbol. Give me more. Give me more. One more at least. This is Porta. Found the nota symbol, guys. At least give me one more of that. Then I'm sure I get more than €5. Only one. The nota symbol. Ay, Jesus, how much this? Let's hope it's a good win. Oh Lord. I was thinking it's at least €10, but no, it's €5. €5 win. Okay, so €5. I spent €11 and I won €5. Ay, what the hell is this? What the hell is going on here? Okay, so ticket number 13 and 14 are all losers, but I got €5. Not bad, guys. Oh, 3 days in a row I give donation, guys. Okay, but not bad. So I got the €5 out of 11. Not so bad. Okay, not so bad. So it's €5. The other day, €5. The other day, no wins at all. 4 in a row. Oh Lord. Okay, so that's what this is what you get on gambling, guys. You always lose. Okay. Ciao.